Hi guys, I just want to flex my husband's speakers. Okay, here he has a beautiful Martin Logan CLX signature in it. What is it?
Martin Logan
CLX art, and he has the soundbar, which is Martin Logan also. Stage soundbar, and he has this Krell that he opened. I don't know what happened.
Check the capacitors.
The capacitors. Okay.
Which are perfect.
Okay. He's making sure that it's perfect. Then here he has the certified ethergraph processor and some of the Arman garden and some karaoke machine because we like because we like singing. So, oh, was that you sold to Tracy? Your nephew?
The Martin Logan monolith eyes with the Krell KSA 250 Class A.
Yeah, and you have before that
Martin Logan SL 3s.
yeah. How about the one that you hang
Oh,
from
I
in the
forgot the name of those.
yeah.
Alright, I need to start with the Class A.
What is in this box? This box.
Oh, this same preamp. This has the fixture.
Oh, he
Paid the cost.
okay. So he has still have a shelving. He has a shelving for his stuff in there. Then he has what do you call this? Hanoi surround speaker and a bass. There's his bass.